We're at the National Farm Machinery Show. Got a lot of great products that we're displaying. Here beside me is a superb SQ12 low profile dryer. There's a lot of great benefits and features with this dryer that can help to make your farm more profitable, all while improving grain quality and reducing your drying cost. Brock SQ dryers have features that improve grain quality. First, I'd like to point your attention to the moisture equalizers. These change the speed of the grain flowing through the column, optimizing kernel to kernel moisture consistency. Additionally, SQ dryers feature the Brock Even Flow Unload. It's a conveyor unload with no metering rolls. It is very gentle on grain, improving your bottom line. If you're in the business for positive cash flow improvement on the farm, stop by and see us at the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky.